Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top 5 best rock lights on the market based on their efficiency and their value. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. First up is the Lamphurst 6-piece Stardust Jeep Truck Off-Road LED rock light. These rock lights from Lamphurst have been specially designed to be installed on a Jeep or truck. They will perfectly illuminate the underside of the vehicle to make rough terrain more visible. They come in a selection of cool colors to suit all tasters. The pack includes a set of 6 pods, each of which contains 4 LED lights. Each pod comes with a rugged, shatterproof aluminium housing to make it especially durable. The pod provides a wide-view polycarbonate lens for a wide-angle display below and around the vehicle. Next, we have the LedMessy LED Rock Lights White Kit. Do you regularly drive along dark country roads? If so, you will surely understand the importance of extra illumination. Fortunately, LedMessy has created some of the brightest rock light sets around. Each of the 12 pods features 3 9-watt bulbs inside. This is plenty of light for even the darkest road or even off-road driving. While the lights are ideal for placing under the vehicle, they also make great interior lighting. Third up is the MCtuning 2nd Gen RGB LED rock lights with Bluetooth controller. Are you ready to party? Every day will feel like a special occasion with the MCtuning RGB LED rock lights. The lights come in a choice of 2 sizes and users can select between 4 or 8 pods. Each pod can be installed in different locations on the vehicle for an all-round lighting experience. Followed by this is the LedMessy LED Rock Lights White Kit for Jeep Off-Road Truck. For the uninitiated, installing lights on a vehicle can be a real pain. Fortunately, each of the 12 pods that come in the LedMessy LED Rock Light White Kit comes with marked places to drill holes. This makes installation very easy and will hold the pods firmly in place. The lights are designed to be installed underneath different types of vehicles for enhanced ground illumination. The kit comes with a simple harness that features both positive and negative cathodes. Last but not least is the Senpai RGB LED rock lights. With 3 LED lights set up deep inside a special housing, Senpai promises plenty of light combined with durability. The lights deliver 500 lumen beams at 120 degrees for plenty of illumination even on very dark roads. The set contains 8 pods in total that can be installed in a wide range of positions. Users have the option to set the lights according to their every whim thanks to the optional app. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.